Now, part three of this is let's go and tag our doors here. So again, we're back into tag category and I'll pick on the door. Now, you can see that um, I think it's picking up the correct tag. All right, so let me just go in here and escape, and I'll, yeah, so it's picking up the correct tag. So what it's looking for is the information, and the information should be on the door here. And so this is going to be a 60-minute door. Okay, so it is DFT underscore 60M. And we'll just apply that and boom, there it is there. Okay, so we pick this one here. And again, it's going to be a free end with 20-degree filled arrow. All right. Again, now if you want, you could do away with the leader line. Sometimes that'll work a little bit better. I like to see my tags just sitting in tight to the actual door itself there. Now let's try that one more time with, say, a 30-minute door. That'll be a 30-minute door. And again, it's picking it up all right, but I got to put in the info on the door. And this is DFT underscore TM. All right. Now, and again, let's go free end, and we've got our arrow there. So in this case, I'm going to turn off the leader. I'm going to shift that to that position there. So I'll go around to each of the doors and I'll tag those. Now, we spoke about, the advantages and disadvantages of instance properties against type properties. So both the wall tags and the door tags were set up in instance properties, which gives us a little bit of flexibility. But if you're on a big project and you've got dozens of doors, which are going to be half hour, or dozens of doors that are going to be 1 hour, then you might consider doing type properties as well for something like that. Now, there's other door tags and wall tags that we can use, and I think I might just give you an example of that. I'm going to tag by category here, my wall. So I'm going to pick that and hit the drop down box here and see what else we've got here. So there's my bog standard wall tag, and you can see what it's doing is it's picking up the description. So if I pick that, edit family, okay, and edit label, you can see now that it is picking up the description. And what I've been doing is putting in the assembly code and the description and a line between the two. And so again, now that I'm in here, I'm going to edit this, and again, left and top, and it's 1.5, and that's fine. I kind of like that at 1.5, so I'm going to load that into the project. I'm going to overwrite the existing parameters as well. And again, I'm going to pick my free end, and I'm going to put an arrow on top into that one there too. Okay. Now that just means that I can shift the note, and let's zoom in here and I'll just bring that up like something like that. So you're going to ask me what the assembly code is. So I need to go into the wall itself and into the type properties here, and under identity data we've got assembly code. Now look, I'm going to click into it and it gives me a little 3-dot box, and it brings me into the uni format classification, and I've got the shell here, which would be the superstructure, no, exterior, no, interiors, interior construction, partitions, and demountable wall finishes. I'm going to pick that one and go OK. That's the classification, and boom, there it goes. It's in place there. And I'm going to talk to you about Uniclass 2015 and a little bit more about that type of classification. So again, another just quick way of using a wall tag.